Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back another video. I'm with VOSA.
I'm 7 foot now, you can.
7 4, you just got. What the hell was that?
Oh,
guys,
these. They're my Nike Air Force Ones, bro. CL7 edition.
What was I gonna say? What was I gonna say, brother?
We're here to do a car video today.
Car video. We're gonna try the low beams. So the low beams are the right side, innit? This one's.
Oh yeah, low beams. Yeah.
Low beams, so the H7s. So we're gonna put some LED ones in for you. We're not 100% sure if this is going to fit or work or anything. We might need retainer clips, I'm not 100% sure. Depends how Vauxhall has done it. So the way you access these is through the wheel arch here. So you will have to turn your wheel inwards on this side, and then when you're on that side, turn it that way, just so you have access to it. Or you can remove the wheel fully if you can't be bothered, if you need extra space or what. But then we might struggle because we have massive alloys on this. These have been upgraded to the 18s, I believe.
As you can tell, scuffing quite a bit. Come on.
What the fuck? You painted that twice now. You bastard.
Leave it now,
Okay, so these are the bulbs. Night Eye H7s, LED headlight bulbs. These are unfortunately not sponsored. But one day, look at this design. This is the design, but the box is upside down. This is where the box. This design should have been there. The donkeys. Let's see. What? That looks nice.
Shit, that actually looks like that.
That looks good, apart from the rest. And then look, oh my god.
Thank you for using our products. Huh?
Thank you, my love.
Product manual.
Good. Yes, very beautiful. Put in the car and I put in the puttins. Okay, I can't say putin, it's not good. It's not good, it's bad English, bro. Put it away.
It's gonna say, bro, I can't understand that for shit. We'll do it our own way.
Oh yeah.
Right, so
if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Oh, center deleto.
Oh shit.
That's not a canvas.
It's fit in, bro.
Yeah, inside?
It's in the fan.
Yeah, it's inside the fan. They're tiny though compared to normal wolves. I mean the whole thing.
Pretty sure.
So yeah, that's the H7 socket.
Rotating. Yeah, these rotate.
Yeah, all you do is you can take this off. But no, we don't need to take it off. Don't take it off. Put it back in. Lock it back in, please. There. That's for if you want to put the metal clips on underneath.
Oh.
We might need them. That's why we're checking out. So maybe we'll find out first. Yeah. Then you pull it up. I'll put it back on now. Put it back on. I don't want you to lose it. There you go. Lock it. There you go. Don't ever do that. Don't ever do that again.
That's fire.
That's all of them.
That's a good design.
All of them do that, bro.
Oh,
yeah. That's a normal design, bro. Alright, guys. We're gonna turn the wheel in now.
I need to put this bulb away.
You put the bulb away. Don't be gay. Okay.
Try not to.
No gay.
Not today.
Okay, thank you.
Another day.
Alright guys, we're gonna try. Inshallah. It works, inshallah. Look at this guy, still no license plate. But there's something coming, inshallah, you'll see. A new clan member. This guy has fucking DSG forts at the front of his car. Did you hear that?
Pop some bangs, dude, that's what man's on.
He has DSG forts at the front of his car, his exhaust is at the front.
Come on.
Okay, so here is the access tunnel. What the fuck? Can you see it right up? Oh, you can't see it. I'll put my flash on in a second, so it's right up there. And your hands are gonna be dirty as fuck. And your rubber's cracking. Not cracking, yeah, well, it's from sun. Yeah. They've been holding it. Same issue on mine, man. It's bullshit. Can you see it? Okay, access hatch is right up there.
Can you see it?
Kind of. I just see your hand. Okay, good. Put it up there. So it's right up there. You just twist it to the left, I believe, yeah. And pull it out. Yeah, there you go. Oh, first you got a cap in it, that's why I know. Okay, there you are, right in there. Twist it to the left. Do you feel it?
Yeah.
Twist it to the left. Unlock it and pull it out. He's as done it, you can feel it. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's got it.
That's as far as it comes.
Let's have a look. Was it stuck by hand? I'm not flash your shit. It's such a weird angle. Somewhere in there. Can you see? I don't know. Oh yeah, it's in there. Oh yeah, I can see it now.
Yeah.
In my hand, there. Can you see it there? That's the bulb. So you just twist it to your left and pull it out. Okay, he's got it now, so you're gonna have to take off that bulb. Sure, that's as far as it goes. Yeah. Baby's enjoying it, so shimmy off like I do. H7s are a bit dodgy sometimes. Shimmy work or no work?
Shimmy is work.
There you go. How's your hand come off? Mama took the full thing off. What? Yeah, it just sits there and then goes back on that. Well, how the fuck did you take that off with it?
I don't know, G.
Okay, it's
I don't
alright.
need this one, do I?
No. Yeah, no. Well, if it doesn't work, you're gonna need it, innit? Oh, yeah, okay. Now you can put that back on somewhere.
You know what? I kind of need to be on the...
Yeah, you can't see in it. You need to be able to see what you're doing. Yeah, these alloys are quite big, so they might get in your way.
Oh, there you go. I can see that.
What the hell? Look at the crack in that one. Yow. And these have loads of tread left. What kind of bullshit is this?
Oh wait, this is how I did it last time.
The phone.
Yeah, for sure. I just did this.
Oh, don't lose it. Your phone just under there. Easy?
Yeah.
Okay. What you trying to do is put that back on, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, just putting the adapter thing back on. The H7 thing. One more bottom was screen gone green. You feel it?
There you go. Yeah, it's in. It's in there.
It's in now. Now we get the old up. Now we get the other bulbs off. Ah. You got one. Just plug it in. We'll try test it on. Now we'll have to turn it around. What are yours plugged in like? Ah, my leg. Plugged in? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, just put the wire in. If it works, it works. Good. Sounds like a new kind. Oh shit. Black, just like the GT. Is in?
That's in, yeah.
Okay. Take that off, I need to see if it works. I'm going to turn on your lights here.
Okay.
Hold it back. You gonna hold this?
There you go.
Softly. Right, where's your key? Okay.
Yeah, but give me a second. So. Oh, right, okay, turn it off.
Right.
That's so bright. I just blinded myself.
Oh wait, no, let me check something.
Okay.
Leave you on.
Right, go on.
After 20 seconds it goes up. You do enough time.
I can feel the fan, bro. That's a nice fan. I just, yeah, staying on. As you can tell, guys, obviously that is really nice and bright. Obviously in person that is very blinding. Yeah. There we go. See that like that. Obviously you're not supposed to touch the LD part because it can damage it.
Bro, the other side of the wheels are scratched worse. What the fuck have we been scraping?
No, to be fair, one of the sides, was it this side or the other side? I don't know, but the guy when he's taking my tyre off, bro, he scraped it all. I was like, bro, what are you doing?
Should I keep the keys on me? Okay.
Yeah, nice. Alright, now I'm trying to think. I don't see.
What did I? I'm after it. Well, you just lock it in place. Like, how do you get it out? No, so this part goes in here, and that's just going to be dangling, whatever. Do you get me?
I'll leave that there because I remember last time.
Yeah.
When I did it, I had to look to the front here.
Yeah. Put that, shove that through the head. We might just keep spinning, because we had that problem on the Audi Jaheds. So he needs a metal clip for that. But let's hope Vauxhall don't need it, hopefully. But yeah, you've seen they're quite bright, innit? You look to the front, you see the head popping. Go up, there you go.
Oh, hello.
Is it in?
It's in.
Touched it. Did you lock it at all? If you might need that metal clip thing. Nothing. It spins on the spot.
I just spin on the spot.
Okay, let me try as well. Just to double confirm it, because mine need the H7 retainer thing.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you Jahid Mia for your retainer clips. So we've had to put one of these retainer clips on. You have to order them online. But luckily we had some from our Audi project that we did a few weeks ago. I didn't work on them, so yeah, they worked on the Vauxhall. So you do need retainer clips to work, and yeah, these are CAN bus free, so and they're not flickering. They've been running for 5 minutes now. They're not turned off, nothing, so it's all good. There's no error warnings. And yeah, all you do is like a normal headlight, twist it in, locked into place. Make sure when you're doing the LEDs, it's straight up like this, ends up in a straight position, otherwise your beam cutoff will be shit. So yeah, these are 100 times brighter than these. Have a look. And yeah, we can always adjust them, make them better. So yeah, we're going to do that side now. So to put these on, what you have to do is put that on this way, so it should be like that.
Like a bit of yellow.
So you twist this off, put it on. That's fully locked in place, isn't it?
Yeah, fully locked in.
Okay. And now we twisted the wheel to the other side, so we can do that side now.
Oh, for those wondering, by the way, with this, what's it called?
H7.
No,
Retainer clip.
So when you're trying to twist it in,
push
twist
in
with the whole bracket.
Yeah, twist with the
That's
full
what I
thing.
did. Obviously, we were initially pushing just the bracket. Do the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's what it was.
That's what it was. Yeah. It's quite hard to do. You could do cut your finger a bit, but it's alright. You get there eventually. And you get black hands.
I like seeing this type of shit though.
Alright guys.
That's how you know you get it.
At least we know it's working. It's been running for a good couple of minutes now. It's not blinding either, hopefully. So yeah, let's get to the other side now. And the lights. Oh, very nice, very bright. Very nice, very bright. Both of them together are beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward when you have the right tools. This one was a bit harder to do because one of the metal clips was obviously bent from our previous on the last car. So we might just order a new clip, make a bit of a tighter fit. If not, we'll see how it goes anyway. So we're going to drive it around now, test it out. Yeah, it's very easy to do, and these bulbs are good. I'll link them in the description. It's the bulbs I sent you, innit? The ones, was it them ones? Yeah. So I'll put these in the description because these are the best fit, I think, actually. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. These don't flicker either. They're really good. See you guys next time. Goodbye.